daily vlogs might be a thing. You're taking too long to walk to the car.
I was about to say you get scared. You park back far as hell every time. This nigga's in the woman's bathroom. He's an idiot. I know, it's a female now. This nigga's an idiot. That was the girl's bathroom, you stupid. You came out the girl's bathroom, you idiot. Yes, you did. Some woman's, you stupid. Yeah, but look, it says woman on the door. Oh my god. Yo! This shit looks cool.
Wait, this look.
Look at that.
If this turns out better than the other one, I'm gonna cry.
Arrive at Creamy Acres
Look at that.
Oh. Arrived.
Oh, okay. You sound just like that. You see this shit?
Oh shit, oh shit. I say that, that's not me.
Better watch for the errors, huh? Yeah. Bells will be. Alright, I'm paying now.
Yes?
Do you ever get like that stuff that drops on you?
Yeah, stop.
You do?
Yeah.
What? That happens to you too? Like, huh?
Yeah.
Still up.
She got
Joey,
scared.
how do you have to FaceTime. FaceTime Dylan the show. Hurry up, quick. Come smell it in here. Guys, come smell, man. Oh, yeah. Grand Pictures you already know Grand Pictures got dropped in this. You already know. Came up from the bottom. Yeah, I did it on my own. Where's the mom?
She's inside.
That's why I came.
What do you mean?
I thought you told me I was gonna be able to talk to her.
You said you weren't. You said you didn't want to see her. She's in the bathroom right now.
Hold the doors. Versace on the floor. Got pockets of zippers. Gotta unzip it every time I need to. Then they're not too. My hands too big. Oh damn. Why'd we park here? We're never gonna get out! Guys.
This is perfect.
No, no. We're getting out of here. We're not waiting. So we're gonna go to this Hibbett Sports Place. It's a new sports store. They got all shoes, all Adidas, Nike, Jordan, everything. It's like a Foot Locker, but 3 times the size. He don't know about it because it was built when he wasn't here. Seatbelts cooped always. Oh, we should have vlogged. All right, so we went to Creamy Acres, right? And I'm trying to see around them to see if a car's coming this way. I'm like this. It's like, right? I'm stuck. I couldn't move. I'm like, oh, this fucking thing. It kept jamming worse and worse every time I tried moving. Yeah, you having trouble breathing? I thought the same thing. Like you just ran a football field. Here's how to skip a line and drive luck. Then you get right here. That's how you get up in the line. I actually should have done that for the one.
Alright. Oh, yeah. Can you pull closer? It's cold.
Think so?
Can you go right there? Yeah, it's cold as shit.
Wait, open your door and shut it again.
That happened? That's a thing?
Ah, you fucked it. Yeah. That ain't funny. You fucked it. You opened the door too soon. Let's get out. We'll be back. Key's stuck and shit. We'll be back. Key's stuck and shit.
The funny thing is, I'm vlogging too.
I'm glad you find it funny, Dylan. You fucked it. Figure it out. You opened the door too soon. The car was not stopped. So it locked it. It thought it was being stolen. I don't know what you want now. Start Googling. For real. Start Googling. I go being stolen. I don't know what you want now. Start Googling. For real. Start Googling. I go glad I find it funny. I'll drop it right off home.
I don't know what to do. What do you... At the same time, trying to turn the key. When doing the 2 actions at the same time, you can exit the steering wheel lock and then start your vehicle. It just told you. Wait, that's actually a thing? That's actually a thing. It's a banana. Oh, that's what a pop socket is. The car is coofed. Yeah, I didn't know a car did that. Wait, I'm gonna show the definition. Focus on it.
The brake don't even go down. For real?
Thank you for calling AAA's automated service. I see the phone number you are calling from is 856-625-3009. Is this the best number to reach you?
Yeah? Yes.
Please say or key in the full 16 digits that appear on the side of your membership card, beginning with the 4.
The fuck?
Let me get started by asking you some questions.
I don't know the fucking questions. And give me someone to talk to. I didn't even hear what the fuck she said. Repeat yourself? Fuck? I heard what she said. Just repeat
What
yourself.
is the year of your vehicle?
Huh?
Very cool. It's really not funny. It's really not.
The car key won't come out the thing.
Now, please say the make and model of your vehicle. For example, Ford Mustang.
Nissan Maxima.
Nissan Maxima.
Let me confirm if I heard it correctly. You said Nissan Maxima. Is that right?
C. Yes. Stupid ass.
Thank you for calling AAA South Jersey.
How the fuck did he get it?
Thank you.
Oh, I was about to say.
What service do you require today?
The key's stuck in the... what? Wait, is it his or mine? Oh, they got me confused.
To be sure I heard you correctly.
How you doing? I'm actually sitting in a parking lot right now, and the key is not coming out of the ignition.
Okay, let me
I was on the phone for 10 minutes.
just a second, okay?
I was on the phone for 10 minutes. This nigga got someone right away. I'm doing this no more for AAA.
Let's see here. Let's see. Trying to think for you. And your foot's pressing down on the brake, correct?
Yes.
Oh, you got it.
I actually just got it.
There we go.
Thank you.
Yep, no problem.
Yeah, do
Have a great day.
You too.
Stick ain't do shit. Stick ain't do shit.
I shut the car off with it in drive.
Yeah, no shit.
No. Wait, stop. I'll show you what I did.
Don't do it again.
I was like this and shut the car off without putting it in park.
That's not my fault. Then that was you putting the car in drive. That's not my fault. Pull up to that spot, and this time I will wait for your car to stop.
No, I was making that up. I was trying to blame it on you.
Yeah, no shit. It wasn't my fault. You want to pull up?
The car is working. Look at the Warriors one on.
I see. Where they at?
What's that with it?
I'm not buying it.
It's a fun story, though.
Come on, Mom. No, sure.
Tell her how some videos. Billy,
Yup.
you don't need the ball now, right?
I mean, I guess not. I have to go back and give them to her that.
What, now?
Nah, now. Hello? Oh, what's up? Can you hear me? What are you talking from, like, the moon?
Jordans, they're all the nice.
And they were Jordans. Yeah, 14 they had them. Quick, what do you like here?
That's their store.
Yeah, it was Hibbett Sports and Walmart thing. They had my size. They're nice too. They're cool. I like them. Yeah, that's what causes I need to go to the mall now. Yeah, they're nice. God, go to Walmart or use the bathroom. Oh, I have lunch at KFC. Lucky.
They're pulling up.
What's your KFC?
No, the only one.
The one near ShopRite near
GameStop.
Yeah, you said that closed. All right. Well,
Oh, you believe me when I said that?
yeah. Might come over there because he wants to get
It's a joke.
food. No, we're not going over there. All right, so, whatever.
Tell her
Go
to
to Walmart.
Walmart.
I have to use the bathroom.
Or we'll go to Walmart first. Tell her.
All right.
Walmart,
I'm gonna
511.
I'll call you back, Mom. All right. Bye. To use the bathroom. Go to Walmart. Poop.
We're doing all the stores in here. We're good. You're okay.
I have to poop. Yeah, I
We're
realize that.
going there. You're okay.
Sweating and whatever the heck you say. Well, shoot, you told you I could buy stuff. I just bought,
You didn't buy one. Keep buying.
bought a shoe.
Keep buying more.
God, I'm not gonna splurge on money.
Well, that's what I do.
You two was bragging.
Well, why do I
Say-
splurge so much?
I don't know.
Yeah, but I splurge so much, but
You
still
buy
have
too
a
much
lot.
clothes, you have nowhere to put it after a while. You keep it, but you don't go to
Right.
clothes. Craig, you want me to get out now and go with Craig to the poop? Craig, we getting out?
I didn't leave him much room. Get out.
Craig, come on, get out.
No, you're gonna get my door killed.
Fucking, oh my god.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Got fucking Debbie fuckhair over here.
I came off from the bottom. Yeah, I did.
And he sinks the second. 20 seconds left to play in the final quarter. And so the 76ers can now just hold on to the ball. Now, DJ. And oh boy, a lot of contact there, but he gets the call and will shoot two. This is. Here's Anunoby. They get it back. So it's the 76ers winning this one easily. This was a very strong showing for him, Greg. Not necessarily like a...
Hello.
This is Kevin Owens saying thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Have a great evening.
Is that good? Huh? How much do you get a game?
5,000.
I'll be right back. I don't know.
Oh, how much of your 50 do you have left?
11 yesterday and today.
Oh, you're gonna use your gift card for the PDF?
Why's Kyle laying on the floor?
What's wrong?
We about to go see Father Figures out there today. That's about it. Oh shit, that's fucking sign. Not in February.
No. It wouldn't be fair. We'd be beginning of March.
Yeah,
Like for a difference. I'd be there for the birthday.
yeah,
It'd be a difference.
I understand.
I'd alter the dates a little bit.
Yeah.
Maybe do like the 2nd to the 10th, and the day after. Like,
You'll be fine with your job. Come down.
Oh my
Let's spend
God.
some money coming here.
like we need to like lay your money off a little bit.
Yeah, Craig, stay down there. Stay down there.
Oh,
Yo,
we
we
get a
don't
picture
win the
like
movie
this.
theater, dude.
We own theaters out here.
Show them.
It happens fast. No, you want to be
On there.
centered. Screen. We don't need to sit right next to each other either. Me. Somebody's glasses in that. We'll block it though.
Everything. Old people in the movie theater.
Look
Look at the camera. You too.
Hi guys. Put your hand up on that thing.
Say
Try to
hi,
block it,
guys.
bro. Try to block the screen.
God. Didn't fucking work. Not tall enough.
Yeah, let me see.
See me, Craig. You heard me.
Dude, we don't need to sit next to each other.
I see you.
You want to sit away from the window? No?
I don't.
Not nice and reflecting that much open in front of his car. You can't let first thing you bump.
What's up, Dave? What's up, Dave? How you doing, man? Fuck's up, Dave? I did it all on my own. Nobody give me a.
My dad said if we get a door for Kyle's room, he'll put it on. Well, if that's the case, we'll get one for here too while we're at it. Mazador, I don't know what we're gonna do. He's got $3 on here towards the steak bread. And you try it too. He wants you to try it. He's excited.
She go piss me off. She was sitting like this, looking at the door like this, and I did this last week. I always do every other time. As soon as I did the leash, and I opened the door, she took the fuck off. I was pissed.
You always have to.
No, she set me up.
Alright, come on, here. Oh,
Hi, are you taking orders for tomorrow?
We could now if you wanted.
Okay, can I place an order for 30 wings hot for tomorrow night at 7?
Anything else?
No, that'll be it.
For pickup or delivery?
We'll pick it up.
Your name?
Kyle,
Okay.
and that's it. Tomorrow at 7?
what's your price?
Do you have a total on that?
Yep, hold on 1 second. 2460.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
You could, she said, so I guess she's gonna write down. We have them for. I'm gonna call back tomorrow to get home from work and make sure the order's still there. Also, I'm just calling to make sure the order. How'd you get that? I put that up on top of the washer. Huh? I put that on top of the washer.
What'd she get? That sucks.
There you go. The dog has some ice to play with. Video, how'd I do this?
You gotta put the lid on. It'll lock in. Put the lid on.
The actual blender on here.
Yeah, it locks on.
But you can always lift it straight out, right?
Yeah, but you should be able to turn it either way. Lock it in place and put the lid on. But hold it while you're spinning it.
Alright. Gonna fill the blender with this?
No, didn't it tell you 1.5 cups? Read the directions.
Yeah, so how do I do that?
You get a measuring cup.
So 1.5 cups gonna be enough to fill the pitcher?
Yes, it all blends in.
Why am I
Hey,
acting
come on.
dumb?
Yeah, you are acting really dumb. There's one that says 1/2 cup. That's gonna be a lot.
Maybe it has to be plugged in.
Oh, wait.
Honey, she
Oh,
just had
yeah.
the turkey and rice. No. No, she just had turkey and rice. Okay, 7:30. Maybe like 10 o'clock or whatever. We'll throw something in.
Is it done or keep going?
Pouring out of the thing. Lose consistency at all?
Mm-mm.
Alright, well, whip it up some more and then I might have to come see what's going on. I've never seen that happen. Thick. Get something to wipe this fuck up.
So you gotta get my way instead of recording. Can't let's record everything.
That's it. It's good, but why is that thick? Wet one.
I'm being recorded, everything I do.
Jesus Christ. You call this drippings? Fuck, man. It's almost the whole thing. You said these were a few drops.
That's the ease the matter of being yelled.
I mean, I don't have my glasses on. What's wet here?
Put one on first.
Shut the door behind you, Craig. Move. Move, Sal.
Ice crush, liquefy.
Give me my glasses. What, did you unplug it? How do you get the thing up? Come on, I can't even plug it in. You got it on. Don't have to. Alright, get some cups. Come on, cups! Give me a cup!
Shit's goofed. I think the product's bad.
Like we're fucking eating ice cream or something. Why ain't this working? Look at the fucking cup! That's fine. Quiet.
Let's get this money.
How much time we got? I can't see.
A minute, 20 seconds. Let's get this money. They're all watching us. This is our
Oh,
time.
here we go. We're gonna act like nerds. Why horn stopped working last year? How much time we got? 50. They're counting down. 58.
58!
Now, you guys gotta get out the door. Like, don't let me be the last one. I ain't out the fucking door yet.
They get right.
Gift of the Serenity. The 45.
7, 6, 5, 4,